Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see a comparing quantity problem. Let's look into the question. Two candidates, Raman and Rajan, contested an election. Raman gets 46% of valid votes and is defeated by 1600 votes. So find the total number of valid votes cast in the election. So this is what our question. So we don't know what is the total valid votes, so I'm going to keep it as X. So valid votes Bx. So I will make one flow chart for this. So there are total number of valid votes is X. So there are two contestants are there. So one is Raman and another one person is Rajan. So over here, Raman gets 46% of valid votes. That means 46% of X. Then how much Rajan would have got? So we are going to subtract 100 minus 46. So it's nothing but 54% of valid votes Rajan got. So Rajan only won the election. So how this Raman is defeated by Rajan of 1600 votes? So what is the difference between these two? First we need to see. So compared to Raman, Rajan got 8% extra votes. So the difference is nothing but 8% extra, right? 8% of X only extra he got. Who got? Rajan got. And also what they are saying, this Rajan is having extra 1600 votes. So this 8% of the total valid votes, it's nothing but 1600. This is how we are defining the problem. Now let's continue the steps. So let the valid votes be X. So now here Raman gets how much percentage of valid vote? It's 46% of valid votes. Then Rajan gets 54% of valid votes. And we have one more extra information. What? Raman is defeated by 1600 votes, right? So now who got more votes? Rajan. So I can find the difference. Rajan valid votes minus Raman valid votes. So what percentage is that we are going to find? So it's nothing but 54% minus 46%. It's nothing but 8%. So 8% difference is there between these two contestants, right? So now they have given the difference is total is 1600 votes. So can I write this as 8% of total valid votes is equal to 1200. So now the same thing what I have defined over here, this is just for understanding. If you are not understanding, just make a flow chart, you will get an idea. So but as a steps you have to write all these things. So how to write 8% of total votes? 8%, write it as 8 by 100. And what about the total votes? It's nothing but X number of total votes. So which is equal to 1200. So we are going to find what is the value of X. So I'm going to find the value of X by X equal to 1200. 8 by 100 I'm moving to the other side. So it's 1600, right? Not 1200. This is 1600. Yes. So this one is 1600 into 100 divided by 8. So 8 is cancelling for one time and 16 it will go for two time and these two zeros, so 0, 0. So if you multiply 200 into 100, so we will be getting 20,000 as an answer for, that means as a value for X. And what is our value over here? What we have defined the value of X to be? It's a number of valid votes. So we got the final answer as the total number of valid votes are 20,000 votes in the election. Hope you are understanding. If you want more videos, please comment and do subscribe. Thank you.